Hey everybody and welcome back. So today we will be reviewing Energy Revolution system, and you can access the platform using the link in the description below to unlock different kind of benefits and rewards. Now the platform is going to be going you through different kind of ancient invention that is going to be wiping out power bills and generating energy on demand. Basically, this is for the reusable energy that is needed to be created and the energy bills that needed to be cut off. So if you're paying a ton of bills to the grid and it's literally costing you thousands and thousands of dollars, then you should be focusing on this particular platform that is going to be helping you to simply eliminate those kind of charges. So, and it actually makes sense that why are you paying for something that is renewable and it shouldn't be basically done. So it is going to be taking you through a couple of steps, ancient inventions that can help you out. So you can also see the video that is posted onto their platform. And yeah, so I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and head over to the link in the description below to access Energy Revolution system.